can. Same. Sit. Oh, sorry, Woody, that was your turn. I got you. Give me the Holocaust look. Oh! Sit down. Good job, Woody. Let me get you that now. Sit. Sit. Drop fastball, Woody. Oh, sorry, bad throw. It's my bad. Sit. Sit. Oh, another bad throw. Sit. There we go. Nice snag. Horrible throw on my part. Oh! Floater. Whoa! Floaters always get Woody. Sit. Both of you. Sit. Keep edging closer, Black Dog. Woody, sit. That's kind of a change up. Sit, both of you. You know the routine. Nice one, Woody. What was that? Did you get it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. That's it, guys. Nothing. I'm done. That was twice as much as last week, anyway. What was that?
I got it on camera. I don't know what it was.
Did you just nip at him?